TV KPM.
And you're back with us on DDate TV KPM on Level 2 slot. Today we are learning Mathematics Dual Language Program DLP, and of course with me is Teacher Kalai. And get ready, there's a lot more that she's going to test you right now. Are you going to test us, Teacher Kalai?
Yes, of course.
Woo. Okay.
Okay, before that, Anif, I would like to ask you, throw a question to you. Okay, what's the importance of learning the decimal numbers?
The importance of learning decimal numbers, I would at least know the number of decimal places.
Okay, while you're thinking about it, okay,
Right.
let's test the understanding of our kids today. Okay, so are you ready, kids at the home? Are you ready?
Yes, there they are. A lot of thumbs up.
Yes. Okay, so the questions comes out. Okay, could you read it out, Anif?
Okay, so the question is, Sivanis runs 3.5 rounds around TT Wangsa Park every day. The distance for each round of the park is 0.95 kilometers. What is the distance in kilometers that Sivanis runs in a day?
Now, the time is yours, kids, okay?
Okay, so all of you, what are you trying to do? Multiply, divide? Oh, my friends at home, what are you doing? I'm sure you can answer this question correctly.
This is a problem solving that related to our daily routine, okay?
Yes.
So read the question, understand word by word, and then find the operation and finally come with your solution, okay? Calculate and give me the answer. We are waiting for the right answer.
Yeah, who is done?
Can I answer?
Go
Okay,
ahead, Desiga.
Desiga, your turn, yeah?
3.425.
Okay, let us check that, Anif. Okay, so what is the operation involving here, kids? The concept, they give you 3.5 rounds, and then they give each rounds is 0.95 kilometers. So what's the concept here? They give you one and asking for many. Of course, multiplication. So what you do here, the question, the mathematics is 0.95 kilometer times by 3.5 rounds. Okay,
Yes.
this is the unit. Okay, so as usual, you stack down the numbers. Okay, you write down. Okay, you ignore the decimal point there. Okay, who can help me?
Yes,
Anif?
before,
Okay,
oops.
0 to safe side.
15, 5, 1, 9, 3, 27, 28.
Yes.
8, 2 up, so it brings down 2.
2. Okay.
So we have 5, 7 and 5 equals to 12. Bring up 1, 12, 13, 3, and 3. Yes.
Okay, so this is 2 places. This is 1 places, right? So altogether is 3. So 1, 2, 3. So the answer is
3.325.
kilometer. We have to
Kilometer.
put that kilometer, okay?
Yes.
If without the unit, you won't get the marks, okay? You won't able to get the marks. Marks
Yes.
won't be allocated for you if you didn't put the unit. Okay, Desiga, repeat your answer, dear.
3.425.
3.325 kilometer. So, Anif, I
Well
leave it to you.
done, well
Okay, how many
done.
hearts you want to give
Oh,
Desiga?
because this question is quite hard, I think. So we give her 2 hearts? 2
It's up
hearts?
to you, yeah.
Okay.
Appreciation for Desiga today.
Great.
Okay.
And Teacher Kala, while I'm putting the hearts here, can you share with us a summary of what we have learned together today?
Okay, kids and the viewers out there. Okay, today we learn decimal numbers, whereby you multiply decimal number with a decimal number, okay, and also divide decimal number with decimal number. Okay, in multiplication process, okay, what you must do, you multiply the numbers given there as usual, as normal as what you do. You ignore the decimal point, you omit the decimal point, and then add the product. After you add that, answers 2 lines, okay, add the product, you determine where you have to put the decimal point. So for that, I teach you, you count the decimal places, okay, either 1 or 2, and then you take the total and then you move your decimal point at the product, okay. So if you move your right hand side, cha-cha. If you move to your left side, it is chi-chi. Okay, it's like that. Okay, so that is for multiplication. For division, kids, as what I say, you have to move the decimal point at the earlier before you perform the division. So where you should do that, okay, remember, divisor. You take the divisor. If the divisor is the whole number, you nothing to do that. Okay, if the divisor is decimal number, of course it is decimal number. For your level, you divide decimal numbers with decimal numbers. So you move the decimal point at the divisor, make it whole number. You should know what is whole number, okay? So move it one place, and also at the dividend, you have to move it one place. You follow the rhythm. If you move 2 places here, at the dividend also you move 2 places, and then you will get your answer.
Yes.
Okay, so again, for multiplication, you move the decimal point at the end of the process. For division, you move the decimal point at the earlier, and then you perform the division. So kids out there, and also the 4 students here, I hope you understand how to perform multiplication and division on decimal numbers.
Yes, I think that's a very, very comprehensive summary. And Teacher Kala, I think that's amazing. And of course, we just want to check with you, how do you think our 4 pupils performed today?
Oh, they great. They did a good job today. Okay. Hope they understand as well as. Okay. And for more informations, for more interactive activities, kids out there, you can log into Sumberku portal. Okay. There are plenty of exercise there you can do by yourself. Okay. For your self practice. Okay. Back to you. What is the important?
Yes, and of course, as Teacher Kalai mentioned, check out on Sumberku, which is the link on your screen right now. Go there and learn so much more. There's so much to learn, and I think you all will be amazing in mathematics. I'm sure Teacher Kalai will agree with us on that.
Yes.
With that, we would like to thank Teacher Kalai for such an amazing session today, with all of us learning about decimal numbers. Thank you so much, Teacher. Really appreciate your time. And of course, to our 4 pupils who have been very active joining us, been very busy calculating. Good job to all of you. And they are Jay, Tesiga, Kadim, and of course Sri. And definitely we have another teacher here, which is Teacher Fatih. Thank you so much, Teacher Fatih, for helping us out, giving sign language throughout our session. I hope you enjoyed our session today. My name is Hanif Sean, and before we go, I think Teacher Kala is going to play a little game
Yes.
with your pupils.
So this is a post test for them. Okay, before that I have to emphasize this. Okay, as we using nowadays the computer, the laptop, our smartphones, okay, right? All these gadgets are derived because of the decimal numbers we are learning today. Okay, modern applications, all these are from because we have the decimal system.
Okay, so let's start our game, Teacher Kala.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much, everyone. Woo!
Didik TV KPM